I definitely I can say that leads me to here, to be here, to be in
That's
London.
awesome. That's awesome. It was awesome helping so many of you earn job offers around the world this year.
I still really can't believe that I'm actually moving to Sweden in August.
The interview has been done and I got final offer.
I ended up getting 3 job offers, and one from Singapore and one from the UK.
I got 4 job offers only with my LinkedIn. It was 100% transformative. There's no coach who can put this much of effort on my own career. Thank you so much.
Getting you higher positions at better companies with the salary that you deserve.
Regional marketing role, manager role in a global multinational company.
My salary increased by 50%.
I was so happy when I saw the salary number you got. You really deserve that.
I'm so happy too. I never imagined that.
As well as finally getting you the support you need after you had tried tons of other academies, coaches, and online programs.
This is the best class I ever had.
Best English coach that I've ever known.
Your class is totally different.
So are you glad that you joined?
Yes, I'm very, very glad.
Thank you for everything, Grant. Your class is really valuable.
That was incredibly helpful for my actual job.
I remember in our session a while back, you said how much better the customer meetings have been now. So you have both the skills and confidence to build a career that you can be very proud of.
You really gave me the confidence.
All the tips are not really that I can use it for now, but I can use it for my future after the session has ended.
You should teach at like universities or something. These courses are really essential.
I feel not alone.
Yeah.
I would like to give you a 5 out of 5 stars.
Thank you. Thank you. So if you, yes, you watching this right now, are serious about leveling up your career in 2025, I want to help you. Because you deserve to wake up every Monday morning excited to go to a job that you love. And wherever you're at right now in your career, with your English level, that is possible for you. You just need the right plan to get there. Check out the link below to learn how we can make that happen together. I can't wait to see what happens with you in Sweden. You're going to be so successful and happy there. And like I said earlier, you should be really, really proud because yes, I helped you, but ultimately this was your own decision. These are your own actions and you took this initiative and it's changed your life forever. So congratulations on all you've accomplished.